That one hit well to left field. Nearing the line, it's gone! Campbell Lunsford. What a shot. Her second home run of the season. Just crept over that foul pole, and it's a 2-0 lead for Hoover. 3 triples to her name, though, so she's done more than enough. That one slapped high. Play collision between short and third. And it'll be a stand-up double while they hold the runner at third. Try to claim her first strikeout, and she'll get it. Caught some wind off the bat, and that's the first K of the day. That one floated over the plate, but going to be a sliding grab to get out of the second. Look for strikeout 1. Got her. Swing and miss. Hall knocks down a K. Out number 2 of the inning. One swing and miss. So that'll be the second strikeout of the day for Harper. That's for her third strikeout. Swing and miss. So back-to-back strikeouts. She struck out 3 of her last 4. And she'll do it. 3 batters up, 3 batters down. It's 3 straight strikeouts swinging. Hall face a full count. She'll get it in there, but drilled to left field. Can't make a play on the ball. 1 runner will score. She's in for a stand-up double. Back-to-back doubles for Veltri. She'll make a play at third. Catcher can't handle it. And a double with an error to make it to third for Veltri. That one gonna drop in there. Right in the bucket, single RBI for Board. In there, play made at second. What an effort from number 12, Ava Veltri. Right place, right time. Back in these full counts. That one swung on to left field. One more time, maybe. And it hits off the back fence, gets wedged. 1 runner will score, and it's a easy stand-up double RBI for Campbell Lunsford. That one hit well to center. Took 1 step too far forward. It'll get down. They'll stay at second and knock a runner in. So back-to-back 1 RBI doubles for the Huskies. Took a step in. That one drilled into the left center gap. Fielded cleanly by Robinson, but it won't stop the runner from scoring. That one grounded out. Trying to make a play from short, but just not there. Fielded too deep in the infield, and that'll be the first hit of the day for Capital. The no-no and perfect game is gone. For her 5th strikeout, the delivery. Off speed, chance for a double play, gets it to second, close play, and she'll get it. 5-4-3 to close out the 5th.